The danger with rig building, and I think we see this more in the pedalboard world, is like aesthetic over function. And I
Oh,
even had to learn that. It took me a while to be like, I'm going to run this cable this way because it looks awesome, but did I actually solder the cable?
yeah.
And that's a growing pain of learning how to build stuff. And again, you're
Yes.
taking from all these other people, and a lot of guys just build pedal boards, and that's a whole thing. And I feel like I'm taking bits and pieces from like this type of rig building and playback rigs and keys rigs and pedal boards. And
Yes.
here's what I'm figuring out works and doesn't work. A lot of times aesthetic, where does that line up with functionality? Because they don't have to oppose each other.
That's
And
good.
figuring out that balance of rig building.